Hey guys, so I'll be showing you guys how to use Google Ads so that you can promote your YouTube videos on YouTube itself, and I'll be showing you what options to select so that you'll be reaching that right target. So I'll be using my 10,000 calorie challenge as an example. So let's go ahead and search for Google Ads. Click on Google Ads, and then you click on Google Ads sign up on our official site. And then you go ahead and click on sign in. Alright guys, so once you click on sign in, you guys won't be coming to this page. Go to the page where you'll be landing in once you click sign in. You guys will be coming to this page. So once you're here, click on product and brand consideration, and the video is already clicked, and you just keep the influence consideration option as it is, and then you click on continue. Right, over here you have to change your campaign name. So my example is 10,000 calorie challenge, so my campaign name is going to be that as well, 10,000 calorie challenge. Depending on what your video is, you put that as your campaign name. And then over here, bid strategy, it's maximum CPV, so you can't change that. And over here you have budget and dates. So you guys have two options. One, you have daily option and campaign total option. So for campaign total, for example, if you put $30 as your budget, so if your budget is for $30, you put $30 over there, and your start date will be the date you're gonna promote your campaign, and end date you can select it over here. So if you're planning to put your campaign for 2 days, so you'll be clicking on the 19th, so your ad will be running on the 18th and 19th, and your total budget will be split between those 2 days. So it will be $15 on the 18th, $15 on the 19th. Or if you want to go for 5 days, so 19, 20, 21, 22. So your ad will be, so every day it will be costing you $6. So each day will be $6 until it reaches $30 for 5 days. And second option is daily. So how much you want to promote your video for per day. So if you put $6 here, as an example, $6, so your start date will be as the same date as when you're promoting your video. End date, there are two options here as well. One you can put as none. So if you put as none, your ad will be running every single day until you stop or pause or remove your campaign. So each day they'll be charging you $6. Or else you can select the end date here as well. You can just put for 3 days. So every day you'll be charged $6, and your campaign will be running for 3 days. So I'm just going to keep this as an example. So daily option, $6 per day for 3 days. And over here on networks, I would recommend you to untick the video partner on display network and keep the YouTube search results and YouTube video ticked. And for location as well, I recommend you to enter your location manually, since if you're targeting all countries, some countries won't even care about your video, so it won't reach the right audience. So depending on your video, you guys can enter your location manually. So I would put in United States. I'll put Canada, Australia, I'm just gonna put Sri Lanka and India. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this 5 countries here. So I'll be targeting this 5 countries, so people from these 5 countries can watch my video. And over here, languages, I'm gonna keep all languages. And don't make any changes on content exclusion part, don't make any changes here. And create your ad group here as well. You put your campaign name, so basically your video name, 10,000 calorie challenge. And for demographic, I will make some changes here. For gender, parental status and household income, I won't make any changes there. I will make changes only in the age group. So I'll untick the unknown 65 plus 55 to 64 because I feel like my video won't be useful for them. So depending on what your video is about, you can click the age group. So I'm just gonna click from 18 to 54 and don't make any changes anywhere else. Or your audiences, you just keep it as that any audience, and or you can select as well, so depending on what audience you want. So depending on what your video is about, so my video is about food, so I will click food and dining, foodies, food, and etc. But I won't be selecting anything here, I'm just going to keep it open. And next important thing is keywords. You have to enter your keywords here. So if you just upload the video without any keywords, people might not find your video easily. So because when they're searching for videos, they search the words that your video has. So imagine now my video has 10,000 calories. I'm gonna add keywords like calories. So when they search for calories, my video will pop up as well. Then calorie challenge. Epic cheat meal, 10,000 calorie challenge. So when people search or type in these words on their search, my video will pop up as well in the top. Alright, and for topics and placement, you just leave as any topic and any placement, or you can select it individually as well. So mine would be food and drink, but I'm just gonna keep it open. And here, bidding, maximum CPV bid, so maximum cost per view. So I would recommend here to put around 0.20 per view, because if you put like really low, your videos might not get as many views as you wanted. So I would recommend you to put at 0.2, so you guys will be getting more views. So that's my recommendation. And then over here you add in the link of your video. So let me go ahead and copy the link of my video. So I copied my link of my video and I'm gonna paste it here. And over here, video ad format, you can either select skippable in stream ad or video discovery ad. I would recommend you to select video discovery ad. So when they're watching a video, your video will pop on the side as an ad, so they can easily click it and watch your video as well. So headline would be 10,000 calorie challenge. So you guys can see here, so a headline is really important, so because what you put in your headline will be showing on your ad. So I changed my headline as 10,000 calorie challenge, so it shows here as well, 10,000 calorie challenge. On this, press this desktop view, and description one, what's like a basic summary of what your video is about, but within 35 letters. So I would put epic food challenge completed in 24 hours. So you guys can see here as well, it says epic food challenge, description 2, complete in 24 hours. and your ad name, again 10,000 calorie challenge. So as you guys can see on your side, your available impressions will be around 23 million, and so because that's the target audience I wanted, so that's how I made my choices as well. So I changed my keywords, I targeted with some few countries. So depending on that, maximum is 23 million impressions I can get. But that also depends how much you're spending. So you won't get 23 million impressions. Depending on how much you're spending, that many impressions you'll be getting. So as you guys can see down here, based on targeting settings, daily budget of $6 and a bit of 20 cents cost per view, you guys could get around 590 views to 1.8k views per day. So for every $6, you'll be having a view range between this and having an impression between 32,000 to 99,000. So the more you spend, the more the numbers change. It goes higher, and then if you feel that this is the right amount you want to spend or increase, you guys can do that. And once you guys are satisfied, you can go ahead and create the campaign, and then your video ad will be live. But first of all, it will go under review, and once the review is approved, your ad will be live. So that's all, guys. Hopefully you guys learn from this video, and see you guys.